Teams waste valuable time juggling work between ServiceNow and Jira. Creating more than just inconvenience, it drains productivity and drives up costs. Today we'll walk through a whiteboard showcasing how ConnectALL can eliminate the bottlenecks of manual processes, empowering your teams to work smarter and deliver faster. Here we have an ITSM system with roughly 20,000 users, including the support teams. And here we have customers. They have questions, laptop requests, and issues with applications, all of which is collected into ServiceNow. Inside all of those requests and incidents, we have some incidents that are specifically needing to be worked on by an engineering team that doesn't work in ServiceNow. They do all of their work in Jira. Unfortunately, this handoff is a manual process. So the ServiceNow support person opens up Jira and manually copy and paste the details of the incident into a new Jira bug. This takes time since some of the fields aren't one-for-one matches, and the status values are different. Not to mention, this could be prone to errors and time delays. Once it's been prioritized by the product owner, the engineering team can pick it up and run with it. But the support person has to keep checking back to Jira or emailing the engineering person to understand status updates. Is it ready yet? Did you even start working on it? How far along are you? Now the customer is asking, why haven't you fixed this yet? The clock is ticking and the team is running out of time. Now, what was anticipated as a low-level, quick fix bug has been escalated to high priority. This is flagged to our head of customer service and our head of engineering, who have organizational goals of reducing incident resolution times and see this as failing. They are frustrated and they don't have proper visibility into everything that's happening. It's like there's a wall between these two systems, creating data silos. Wouldn't it be easier if we could just erase this problem with automation? Wouldn't it be great to have full visibility into the life cycle with feedback loops? This is how ConnectALL can seamlessly eliminate your pain. This means that when an incident in ServiceNow is designated for an engineering team living in Jira, it happens automatically. No longer are support teams needing to live in two places and copy and paste data. Now this executive is happy because we are reducing incidents escalated due to disconnected workflows. And this customer is happy as well because there isn't a delay and their issue is fixed in a timely manner. ConnectALL provides end-to-end visibility into the incident pattern sync with real-time updates between the systems. Everyone is always on the same page with status updates, including comments and attachments to remove the bottlenecks and lower escalations, saving you both time and money. Want to see the impact for yourself? Use the link or the QR code to map out your value streams and uncover where automation and ConnectALL can unlock even more efficiency for your teams.